Hello everyone. My today's topic is solution, chapter 1, class 12th. Solution. What is solution? A solution is a homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous means same composition of two or more substances whose composition can be varied within certain limits. And now, what is solution? Solution. It is a mixture of solute and solvent. You have already studied in 9th standard and 10th standard. What is solute? Solute. It is present in less quantity, and solvent. It is present in large quantity. Next one is types of solution. Types of solutions. Solute, for example, gaseous solutions, liquid solutions, solid solutions. In gaseous solution, the solvent is gas. What solid can be differ like gas, liquid, solid. Gas in gas, liquid in gas, solid in gas. The example of gas in gas is mixture of nitrogen and oxygen gases. And in liquid in gas, example is chloroform mixed with nitrogen. Chloroform which is in liquid form, and it is mixed with nitrogen gas, and chloroform, the formula is CaCl3. Next one is solid in gas, camphor in nitrogen gas. Next one is liquid solutions. Liquid solution in which solvent is liquid. What solute can be differ like gas, liquid and solid. Gas in liquid, example is oxygen dissolved in water. And next one is liquid in liquid like ethanol, that is also known as alcohol, dissolved in water. And next one is solid in liquid like sucrose, dissolved in water, like sucrose solution means sugar solution. Next one is solid solutions, in which the solvent is solid, but solute can be gas, liquid and solid. Gas in solid, example is a solution of hydrogen in platinum. And next one is liquid in solid, example is mercury with sodium. And next one is solid in solid like copper dissolved in gold. Next one is methods for expressing the concentration of solutions. First one is mass percentage. It is the mass of the component per 100 gram of the solution. And how to calculate the mass percent of the component? Mass of the component like mass percent of solvent like A, and B is the solute. A is the solvent. Mass percentage of A is equal to WA upon WA plus WB multiplied by 100. WA plus WB means the total mass of the solution. Next one is volume percentage. Volume percentage of A is equal to volume of A. A means solvent. Volume of A upon volume of A plus volume of B multiplied by 100. Volume of A plus volume of V means the volume of the solution. So volume percent, it is the volume of the component per 100 gram of the solution. Next one is parts per million. Parts per million, it is similar to mass percentage, but in case of parts per million, we consider 10 raised to power 6 gram of the solution. And in case of mass percentage, we consider 100 gram of the solution. So ppm is equal to mass of component, suppose mass of component A upon total mass of solution multiplied by 10 raised to power 6. Next one is molarity. Molarity of the solution. It is the number of moles of the solute dissolved per liter of the solution. Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liter, and in case of ml then multiply by 1000. It can be denoted by capital M. And molarity. Molarity is one of the common methods of expressing the concentration, and which is frequently used in laboratory also. Molarity is equal to NV upon B. NB, that is the number of moles of solute, upon V. V is the volume of solution multiplied by 1000. Next one is molality. Molality. Molality is, it is denoted by small m, and molarity it is denoted by capital M. That is the difference. And molality, it is the number of moles of the solute dissolved per 1000 gram of the solvent. Molality is equal to moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kg, and in gram then multiply by 1000. NV upon W multiply by 1000. Next one is mole fraction. Mole fraction, it is a ratio of the number of moles of one component to the total number of moles present in the solution. Total number of moles means moles of solute and solvent. Mole fraction of solute, mole fraction can be expressed as small x. Mole fraction of solute, suppose x is equal to Na upon Na plus Nb. Mole fraction of solvent is equal to Nb upon Na plus Nb. And the sum of the mole fraction Xa plus Xb is equal to Na upon Na plus Nb plus Nb upon Na plus Nb, and it is equal to, always equal to 1, like this. And Xa is equal to, the mole fraction of solvent is equal to 1 minus Xb, and the mole fraction of solute is equal to 1 minus Xa. Thank you for listening. Hello everyone, my today's topic is solution, chapter 1, class 12th. You have already discussed in class 11th mole concept. Solution. What is solution? A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances whose composition can be varied within the certain limits. Solution. Homogeneous means same composition. And what is solution? It is a mixture of solute and solvent. What is solute? Solute means less quantity and solvent means large quantity. It is a binary solution, like depending upon the total number of components present in the solution. Then next one is types of solutions. Types of solutions like gaseous solution, liquid solution and solid solutions. In gaseous solutions, the solvent is gas, but solid can be differ like gas, liquid and solid. In gaseous solution, gas in gas, liquid in gas and solid in gas. Gas in gas, mixture of example is mixture of nitrogen and oxygen gases. Yeah, liquid in gas, chloroform mixed with nitrogen gas. Chloroform formula which is in liquid form and the formula is CaCl3. Next one is solid in gas like camphor and nitrogen gas. Next one is liquid solution. Liquid solution, the solvent is liquid, what solute can be differ like gas, liquid and solid. Gas in liquid like oxygen dissolved in water, liquid in liquid like ethanol which is also known as alcohol dissolved in water, and solid in liquid like sucrose which can be also known as sugar. And the formula is C12H22O11 which is present in water. Next one is solid solution. Solid solution in which solvent is solid but solute can be differ like gas, liquid and solid. Gas in solid, example like this, and liquid in solid like example is mercury with sodium, and solid in solid like this, copper dissolved in gold. Next one is methods for expressing the concentration of solutions. First one is mass percentage. Mass percent. It is a component in a given solution. It is the component mass of the component per 100 gram of the solution. Mass percent of component. Mass of the component upon total mass of the solution multiply by 100. Like mass percent of A is equal to W upon WA plus WB multiply by 100. Next one is volume percent. Volume of component A, or if volume of component A and if volume of component V, then volume of A upon volume of A plus volume of V means the total volume of solution, solute plus solvent. Like A is the solvent and B is the solid, multiply by 100. Next one is parts per million. It is similar to mass percent. What is the difference? In mass percent we considered 100 gram of the solution, and in parts per million we considered 10 raised to power 6 gram of the solution. Next one is molarity. Molarity of a solution. It is the number of moles of the solute dissolved per liter of the solution. It is denoted by capital M. And molarity is equal to number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liter, and in ml then multiply by 1000. How to calculate the number of moles given mass upon molar mass? Molarity is, it can be also expressed as Nb upon B multiplied by 1000, and B is the number of Nb, that is the number of moles of solute. Next is molarity is one of the common measures of expressing the concentration. and which is frequently used in laboratory also. And next one is molality. It is the number of moles of the solute dissolved per 1000 gram of the solvent. It is denoted by small m. And molality is equal to number of moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kg, and in gram then multiplied by 1000. And it can be expressed as Nv upon W multiplied by 1000. Next one is mole fraction. It is the number of moles of one component to the total number of moles present in the solution. Total number of moles means mass of solute, moles of solute and moles of solvent. Mole fraction of a component. Suppose mole fraction of solute. Mole fraction can be denoted by x, small x. And mole fraction of solute Xa is equal to Na upon Na plus Nv. And mole fraction of solvent Xv is equal to Nv upon Na plus Nv. Then Xa plus Xv, the sum of the mole fraction Na upon Na plus Nv upon Na plus Nv is equal to 1. And Xa is equal to 1 minus Xv, or Xv is equal to 1 minus Xv. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you.